Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Discord server crown. So to do that, first go to your server and right click on there and click on server settings. So here you can see roles. So here create a role and give your role some name. So I'm just going to give this name admin, and now let's choose some colors and scroll down and you can see this option display role separately, and now go to permission and search for administrator. So now click this button and save changes. So there you go. Now let's give ourselves that role. Now all you have to do is restart the Discord. So let's quit this and now go to Discord again. So there you go. My server crown has been removed. So that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.